Hey, I'm here at the most beautiful oil factory shop. It's just full of the essence of oil with the owner, Avner. And Avner, tell us about your place. Tell us exactly what your family and what you feel and what you produce here.
We did live in Tel Aviv before, in Ramat Aviv. And then about 30 years ago, we moved to the Golan. Coincidentally, I mean, we saw a nice farm that's overlooking the Sea of Galilee and the Galilee. And I can tell you how much sugar people in New York put in their coffee from my landscape point of view.
Yeah.
And then we bought it and moved from Tel Aviv here with the kids. And then we started to plant olive trees. And it just took me, one step. Every time I did something, I did another thing. So slowly it became. Then I came here, it was a field. I built this building from scratch. And then my team, me and my team did all the, all the work, whatever you say.
Which is beautiful.
And today
Wait, I want to show the people.
We-
Look at this place.
I know the beauty.
It's just
What
unbelievable.
his family has done. When you walk in, you'll never forget this place, and you will want to come back again. And we also can watch a video, right?
Yeah.
A video of the production.
I just want to make a point. A few things. One, we never ever spray. All the olive trees that supply the olives are mine.
Wow.
I bring the olives here. Never. They don't see chemicals ever.
So that's number one.
Neither pesticide, nor insecticide, no fungicide, nor fertilizing chemically, and no herbicide. That's the most important. Okay, we mow, we don't kill. That's number one. Number two is that we make here from our olives, olive oil. We do not service others because servicing others means that they bring their chemicals into my machine, which I don't want it to happen.
Yeah.
And then we make from the olive oil is prepared, is edible. I mean, we sell it as about 16 different products from olive oil that you can, you
Yes.
bought some. And then we make from that olive oil that we use for eating, we make the skincare. And the skincare is based on lots of technology, because basically when you want to give the skin something, it has to penetrate the epidermis. But it doesn't because the molecules are too big. For example, hyaluronic acid will never penetrate, it's just rubbish. With a syringe, yes, but not just by applying.
Yeah.
So what happens is that the olive oil molecule is smaller than our pores. That means it will penetrate. That means that if we know how to make it like a conveyor belt upon which other ingredients will follow, then the olive oil molecule will bring into the skin other, like tea tree, pine, lemongrass, all kind of stuff that goes in. That's why we are a super technological company. And we have here a scientific board with 3 of the leading professors in Israel. We get about 12,000 testimonials annually about how our products help.
Of course.
And then our scientific board evaluates it and then decides if to validate or not. If they tell me it's true, it's good, then I'm allowed to share.
Okay.
So what you saw there in the movie, you saw people talking.
Yes.
It's after the professors looked at it and said, Avner, this is good, you can show it.
See, this is, to me, it's the essence of oil. I'm going to use that.
Of olive oil.
Of olive, exactly. Of olive oil. It's the essence of olive oil. But what I want to give to you, it's from the soil of the promised land. And so it comes straight from heaven. And with Avner and his family, you must come. It's in Katzrin. Do not pass this beautiful place and experience and taste and see that the olive oil is good.
Right, and Katzrin is in the Golan Heights, for those who don't know.
Yes.
And it is a remarkable place to come and see.
You must come. You must just come with Norman and I. Avner, thank you.
Thanks so much.
for your
Thank you.
gracious
Thank
words.
you.